Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create the shifts. To create the shifts, we have to go to the masters and shift details. In the shift details, by default there is a general shift which is available. If you have an additional shifts, you can click on add and enter the shift's name. Enter the short name, give the begin time, enter the end time. Here you can define the break timings. If you have a break in between, you can define the break timings. Break 1, break 2 options are available. In between, for example, you have a break of half an hour, you can assign it. If you have second break, you can give the timings here. If not, you can uncheck. There is the punch begin before. Punch begin before option, as I explained you in the previous videos. Before your shift start, you can make the punches. That punches will be considered for your reports. For example, 6 o'clock, if your shift is starting and you are given a 30 minutes of time here, within that time, if you have made the punch, the shift punch will be considered for your report, else the punch will be ignored. In the similar way, there is a punch and after. If your shift is ending at 12 or 11, after your shift timing, whatever the timing you are going to define, for example, 60 minutes I defined, after your shift ends up to 1 hour, you can make the punches. That punch will be considered for the same shift. There is a grace time. You can give the grace time, say 15 minutes. If your shift is starting at evening 6 o'clock, from 6 to 6:15 you have a grace time. You make a punch within that time, it will consider as a normal records, else in the reports it is going to give you as a late coming. There is a partial day. You can define the partial day timing. For example, on Saturday you have a different timing from 16 evenings 16 to I give as a 18. This is the working hour on your Saturday. You can define the timing and you can add it. There is one more option, flexi shift. Flexi shift option, once you enable it, basically this is the shift where in a single date you can come and make the punches at any time. There is no begin time, there is no end time for the flexi shift. The time what we are defining here is the from and to define the hours of your shift. This defines the hours. For a day, in a day you have 8-hour shift created, but there is no fixed time that you have to come on this time and you have to go on this time. In a day you can come and work 8 hours anytime, and you can click on add. Your shift will be created.
Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest update.